The Dower Act in Alberta is an old legislation that we still have rearing its head kind of every day on real estate transactions. So Dower applies in the situation where there is one person whose name is on the title. And you always have to comply with the Dower legislation in Alberta, and that can be done in a few different ways. What the Dower is, it's the right for a non-owning spouse. So I own a property, my spouse is not on title, it's just in my name alone. My spouse has the Dower right. The Dower right is a life estate right. It's the right to live in the property for the rest of their natural life. So in the scenario where I am legally married, and it does only apply to legal marriage, it doesn't apply to common law or anything like that. If I'm legally married, I'm on title by myself, I want to sell the property, I need my spouse's consent in order to give up that Dower right. And then the other ways that we can comply with the Dower legislation is by swearing affidavits, just depending on the situation. So there are a couple different reasons why the Dower would not apply. One of them obviously being that I'm not legally married, so nobody would be entitled to that right. And the second most common reason is because neither one of us has ever lived there since the time of our marriage. So say I bought this property when I was in college, I moved out, I was using it as a rental property for a number of years, and then I got married, and then I never lived there and my spouse never lived there since we were married. Then my spouse doesn't have the right in the property and I don't need their consent to sell it.